Hi, my name's Aaron, and today we're going to be installing an extreme twin plate clutch on my E36 BMW. So before we begin, I'll just tell you a little bit about myself. I've owned this car since 2004. It was a daily driver until about 2014, and then I've turned it into a bit of a track car since then. I've got myself an Instagram channel as well as the YouTube channel here. I'm going to be trying to do a few more videos like this over the next 6 to 12 plus months. So feel free to subscribe if you want to see more of this content. We'll be focusing on racing the car around the track, as well as some DIY stuff for fellow E36 enthusiasts. Basically, I'll be trying to get as much of this content out as I can, and I'll take you out on the track with me. Obviously, the car on the track pushes it pretty hard, and we're bound to break some things, so we're going to have plenty of content for you guys coming up over the next 6 to 12 months.